Halifa, a voter from Nyali constituency, Samuel Mohochi, a voter from Westlands, and Nahashon Kamau are the latest litigants to challenge the Thursday repeat election. The three, through their lawyer Harun Ndubi, want the Supreme Court to intervene and stop the repeat election. In their petition filed at the Supreme Court and certified urgent, the voters say, based on the admission by the chairman of the IEBC, Wafula Chebukati, that he cannot guarantee a free, fair and credible election, and the resignation of Commissioner Roselyn Akombe, the IEBC, which has visible cracks, cannot hold the election.
My clients, the three petitioners who are voters, realized that it is not possible for the election to be conducted as proposed, as the fresh election as proposed, because we contend that it will be an illegal, unconstitutional, null and void election. It would be a sham election effectively, and B, that the preconditions that would suffice for it to be a credible, efficient or free, fair, accurate, verifiable election do not exist.
The petition also cites part of Akombe's letter of resignation and premises their argument on its contents, such as the existence of active sabotage within the Commission, rendering their work difficult, and the inability of the Commission chair to take administrative action against its errant staff members whose actions contributed to the invalidation and nullification of the presidential election and the monetary loss running into billions of Kenya shillings.
Are you imagining that it is better to waste all the money we have, because after all, the after election will be nullified and we have another 12 or 30 or even more billions spent? It's better you lose a little what you have lost and say, all right, it is a bad thing, a bad loss.
The petitioners also cite the withdrawal of NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga from the race due to unfulfilled demands as another reason to postpone the election. Ndubi argues that the withdrawal triggered the vacation of this repeat election.
Actually, the Constitution is is replete with provisions that secure our country. This fear that by 31st we will have no government is false fear. It's unfounded. I found it actually surprising that anyone would entertain such an idea.
The petitioners contend that if the IEBC goes ahead and holds the election, it will not meet the constitutional threshold and that it may not be held as scheduled across the country. They now want the court to declare that the 26th date was vacated by Raila's withdrawal from the race by operation of the law, a declaration that the Gazette notice for this repeat election was cancelled by operation of the law, a declaration that the omission by the IEBC to notify the voters of the participating candidates in the official Gazette contravenes the law, among other prayers.
Justice is not only about one person looking at it.
But some Jubilee-allied religious leaders have faulted the Supreme Court for entertaining the petition.
The best way to do it is to fulfill that legal demand. The impact generated by the same will now be managed by the national dialogue, because I think a president who has been elected, he must be responsible to make sure that he's leading Kenya, and a Kenya that is united.
The hearing begins tomorrow at 10 a.m. The parties to the petition, including the presidential candidates, were served this afternoon with the papers. They need to file their responses by 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday. The written submissions will be limited to 10 pages. Ken Mijungu, NTV.